Okay, hey, this is Jim Cramer with Visesh Kumar. We're going to talk about Google. When I look at a stock like Google, I always have to ask myself, is it going up because of multiple expansion, meaning that we're suddenly willing to pay a higher multiple for the earnings that we all know, or is it going up because earnings are going up a lot on the in the estimates? Is this a multiple expansion story, which I tend not to like if interest rates go higher, or is this a solid estimates too low story?
This is a solid estimates too low story. We're still trading at about 1 times forward growth, maybe 1.2 right now, as opposed to what it was a couple of months ago. But you're seeing the numbers getting moved up. People are predicting more upside, and there might even be margin improvements.
Why is it that suddenly we're focused on Europe? Did something change or a switch flick that Europe is now very lucrative?
I think it's more concern about the U.S. market and people wanting more rest of the world exposure.
Okay.
So the way that the story is played out is people have said, is this mortgage thing going to hit Google?
Right.
And now the tone has shifted to, well, look, these guys get half of their revenue from overseas, which is a very healthy marketplace still.
Why are people suddenly willing to discount the positive of Google phone?
It's a very speculative thing at this point.
Right.
It's the best kept secret. God, I wonder if the people at AT&T, stay up at night wondering about this kind of thing. But this is one of those late 08, 09 kind of stories too, where even if it's in the works, that they've already said mobile is going to be that far out. We're very early on right now.
You've been talking about the kind of the subtle price creep charge for search. Why are they able to actually take share while they're raising prices? Something that in any other industry we've always thought was taboo.
People don't fully appreciate the network effects that you have in search. So people always talk about Google's algorithm, and that's definitely, the story that's covered, but the algorithm is only as good as the data that it manages. So you have this incredible network effect where as you capture more and more of the search market, you have more and more data about how users behave, which makes your search more and more precise, which makes you able to sort of repeat this process. So, this is the first time where this is a weak quarter for them because the kids are home from school. They have a very young base, but they've continued to take market share.
All right, one last question. We are going to hear from types like at the Wall Street Journal that we are now getting into crazy price target bumps. Do you think that there's anything crazy with a $600 to $700 bump?
I mean, it's 30 times forward earnings. The company's growing at 30%. If these guys didn't like it at 300, I don't think they're going to like it above 6.
Excellent. Thank you, Visesh. Google's going higher. What do I have to say?